can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you...
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fall weekend cleaning motivation video and a Halloween decorate with me. There is a hallway table close to the family room that I want to decorate for Halloween, and I thought you might enjoy it and use it for some Halloween decor inspiration. First though, before decorating, I have a few things I'm going to get done while the kids are doing their virtual schooling. While they are in class is really the only time lately I have to check things off my to-do list. So let's get that done first and then get to the fun Halloween decorating. I'm also going to share with you a Bath & Body Works haul later on. A lot of the things I ordered are recommendations from you, so I really am excited to share the new fall candles and fall hand soaps that I got. I also have an announcement to share about my channel, so please keep watching. If I called your name for the giveaway in the previous videos, reach out to me on Instagram at workitmamalifestylevlogs so I can send you the gift. If you don't, then I have no way to get it to you, so make sure that you message me on Instagram so that I can send you your prize. If you are new here, my name is Reema and I create content all about homemaking and mom life with motivation to help you live your very best life. Lately, I've been creating fall decor and Halloween decor videos, so if you need that inspiration, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I would love to have you join our little community. Also, I wanted to tell you that on November 2nd is when my Christmas Clean and Decorate with me will be live, so please make sure that you're subscribed and that your notification bell is on. I know that it's early, but I have already been preparing for that video and I'm so excited to share with you some Christmas decor inspiration.
I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy.
Okay, so let's get started after throwing some laundry in and refreshing what's in the dryer for the 10th time by clearing out the dishwasher and the sink. So if you need some cleaning and decor inspo, just keep watching because here we go. I'm showing you this clip because I want to remind you to clean in this part of your dishwasher. A lot of buildup ends up right here, and sometimes you won't be able to see it when you're unloading or loading the dishwasher. You kind of have to look for it. So make sure that you disinfect this area, and it really helps with just the dishwasher functioning better, plus it keeps your dishwasher clean and smelling really fresh.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact.
All right, so let's tackle this drawer in the kitchen. I'm curious, where do you store your kitchen towels and cleaning cloths? My mom used a similar drawer in the kitchen, so when I moved into the house, it was natural for me to pick a bottom drawer in the kitchen right next to the sink, which is just like the one she has at home. I store the towels with the printed ones towards the back, the white ones that I can bleach if they are stained in the middle, along with the e-cloths and microfiber cloths. I then put the smaller hand towels and the ones I use for quick or small jobs in the very, very front. Let me know in the comments how you store your towels, because I'm always looking for new ways to organize and declutter.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me
What's something silly that you do? When I was editing the video, I noticed that to talk to Siri, I actually turned to talk to her. Hey Siri, stop playing. The music on our HomePod here just randomly started playing, which scared the living heck out of me. But instead of just saying, Siri, stop playing the music, I turned to look at her or it and say it. I do the same thing on my phone. I don't know why I feel like I have to have eye-to-eye contact with Siri, but I do, and I know it is so weird. What do you do that's silly or weird? I'd love to know. So leave a comment and let's learn about how weird we all are. So, if you haven't noticed yet, I went through a name change for my channel. This name change was really calling me, and I'm so excited to share it with you and move forward on this new chapter of our channel. This stuck out to me the most because so much of my content is what I do at home, and let's just be real, lately everything, even working, is at home. And I want you to feel like you have a friend going through it all right along with you, so we can tackle all the ups and downs and the mom anxiety together, as well as celebrate the beauty in all things with you. Seasons, decor, family, love, all of it. I understand how important it is to have a supportive community on my channel, and I want you to feel the power and know that I and all of us are here for you. I want you to come to my channel and just know that you're not alone. And I am here just like you, taking things one day at a time. At the end of the day, I am just a woman going through the same battles every other woman face in life, and I hope that I can make all of you feel important and supported each and every time you visit my channel.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't.
This hallway table is really long and narrow, and sometimes I forget to decorate it. I've had it for years and initially bought it thinking I'd put some cute lighting on it, but it's so narrow that it's hard to find lamps that fit. So it ended up just being a decor piece. I have some older Halloween decorations that I'm going to use. This black and white checkered table runner, I'm going to inch it to the back so it will fit the width of the table, and then add all these cute little decor pieces. The black tree is from the dollar spot at Target, and so are most of the pumpkins. The witch and the tall ghost is from the dollar store, and the stand is from an Etsy shop. And if you want to know the Etsy shop, leave me a comment and I will find it for you.
It's not over. Not very good with decisions. Know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it. Then I keep on reminiscing. I know. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad.
So while I was finishing up decorating the hallway table, I got a delivery, and this one is from Bath & Body Works, and it is some fall scents that I ordered online. I do have a couple candles from last season that I'm still burning, but I did want to try some of the newer scents, and I got so many recommendations from you guys when I asked for what I should buy from Bath & Body Works. So I went ahead and I placed an order, and I want to show you what I got. So the first thing that I'll pull up here is this one, and it's pumpkin pecan waffles, which has always been my favorite. I buy one every year. The scent is amazing. It smells like you've been baking all day. It's just incredible. It is definitely my favorite one, along with this one. So I love Marshmallow Fireside, and I went ahead and I got this one. It just smells so good. One of you guys recommended the White Barn from there. I don't think the last one that I got was the White Barn, and this one definitely smells really good. So I'm so happy that I picked this one up. It's also a really sweet scent, so it definitely smells like fall baking going on in the house. I also got some afternoon apple picking hand soap. I actually got a few of these hand soaps. Let me just take them out so I can show you guys. So these are the soaps that you guys recommended to me, and I'll just show you real quick. This one is white coconut caramel, which just sounds delicious. Then I got marshmallow pumpkin latte. These are the foaming hand wash. Perfect autumn. I got apples and brown sugar. My gosh, these just sound delicious. I got frosted biscotti. That sounds so good. And afternoon apple picking. I showed you guys this one already, but all of these sound incredible. Imagine if you could eat all of this. That would be so amazing. And then I also got some of the wallflower refills. I do have a couple refills, a couple of units in my home, so I definitely needed. I was out completely. This one is the white pumpkin. This one is cozy cashmere, warm vanilla sugar, Paris Cafe. I don't know what that's going to smell like. And I also got spiced apple toddy. So I have this plug-in. I don't know what they're called, Wallflower from last year, and it's the Halloween theme. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug this one in. And I think I'm going to try the white pumpkin. That one just sounds so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in and plug it in. And then I also got a delivery from Old Navy, and I ordered a pack of face masks from there. So I just got the really neutral colors, and I think my older two and I can both wear these. They won't fit in the kid sizes anymore. So this one was a pack of 5, and it came with like a gray, a taupe, beige, the light green, and then like the darker army green. These are really cheap at Old Navy, and they seem okay. They're just cloth. They're maybe 2 or 3 ply, but we definitely needed some more, so I'm going to put these in the wash and then let them air dry so we can start using them, because ours are getting worn out a little bit. Guys, for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and hopefully it gave you some motivation to clean your house, or hopefully it just entertained you for a little while. And if you did like it, please go ahead and give a big thumbs up. It really just helps my video out and my channel so much. So I really appreciate it when you guys do give my videos a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you like this video, and let me know what videos you would like to see from me in the future. I'm open to all suggestions. And that's it. So again, thanks guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Oh, heavenly